Okay, this is part 2 of your slope and intercepts quiz review. So for number 11, we are going to solve for the x and the y intercept. So we're going to go ahead and set that up. So I've got, if I'm solving for the x-intercept, remember I can ignore the y value. So now I've got 9x equals 9, so I'm going to divide both sides by 9. X equals 1, which then means my intercept is going to be 1, 0. Okay, then when I'm solving for my y-intercept, I've got 9x minus 3y equals 9, and I'm going to scribble out the x value. Then I've got negative 3y equals 9, so divide both sides by negative 3, y equals negative 3, and then my intercept is 0, negative 3. Okay, so then I've got to plot my points, so 1, 0 is going to be to the right 1, and then 0, negative 3 is going to be down 3, and then I need to connect those. Remember, we draw our line all the way through our graph, and that would be the 9x minus 3y equals 9. That would be the graph of that line given the x and the y intercept. Okay, last one for this review. I have defined my x-intercept first, so 6x plus 5y equals 20. Again, we're going to scribble out the y value. So divide both sides by 6. And 20 divided by 6 is not a whole number. It's going to give us a fraction. They're both even numbers, so that's going to give us 10 over 3. So then my ordered pair would be 10 over 3, 0. And then for the y-intercept, it's going to be 6x plus 5y equals 20. I'm going to scribble out the x term. Divide both sides by 5, y equals 4. So my intercept would be 0, 4. Okay, now I need to plot both of those points. So whenever you're plotting a fraction, you would need to take that number, 10, and divide it by 3 in your calculator. You should get 3.3. So that means my answer should be between 3 and 4 for my plot. Okay, and then 0, 4 would be up 4. And I'd plot that point. And then I need to connect those. Okay, that is the end of the quiz review. Remember, my reviews look very much like my quizzes, so if you are still confused, you need to make sure that you reach out and ask for some help.